Sometimes you need to be able to combine multiple logical operators to create longer compound expressions, such as the use of the AND operator or the OR operator, or possibly even the NOT operator. Now, in this example, I'm going to show you how to combine using the AND the OR, or multiple OR operators. And what's important to understand is the order that they're going to be worked out as well. Now, Swift logical operators, the AND the OR, are left associative, meaning that the compound expressions with multiple logical operators evaluate the leftmost sub-expression first. Okay, and this is taken directly out of the documentation. So I'll just repeat it again. The Swift logical operators, AND, so the AND then the OR, are left associative, meaning that the compound expression, so this is a compound expression here with multiple logical operators. So this is multiple logical operators here, evaluate the leftmost sub-expression first. So we see this is a sub-expression because the AND operator requires a left operand and a right operand first of all. So we can literally, if you go back to the days of learning mathematics and so on, you know that we can use brackets are always evaluated first. And so we've got implied brackets here, but let's just have explicit brackets in this case. And so once this one has been evaluated, enter door code here, and we see it is false, and pass retina scan, and they're both false, so this is going to fail anyway. So this is false, all right? Now, we know that the OR is a little bit more lenient. It says, okay, this can fail, but as long as this passes. And we come then to has door key. So once we've done, let's just take this out here. And the second test, we know the first test, was false, right? Because we know that failed. So we know false already, or has door key. Well, we know this fails as well. So we can change this to false also. And then we've got another or. So it gives it a third chance now, and knows override password. Well, knows override password is true. So we can see here that this equates overall to true, all right? And we would then see print welcome message, all right? So if we come here again and we say has door key, and we come here again and say has door key and set that to true. So now we know enter door code is false, and we know this stays false here, but has door key is true. So the first chance that something is going to pass will allow us to move in, right? Because that's the whole point of it. It doesn't need to continue on any further to the right because it's already passed. And the OR is saying, I don't need another thing to pass with me. And it would come here, welcome. So now, but if has door key was false and knows override password was false. So when we run it, you can see that it says then access denied. So if we change knows override password to true, and when we run it again, you can see it comes up with welcome. So this is how you can combine logical operators. And this can go continuously all the time. But what's really much more of a better idea is to place this into its own variable. So you could, let's just call it X here for the sake of saving time. And we could put here and then say or X, all right? And this would kind of, obviously you would give it a better name than X. This is called clean code. But at least here it would make this one a little bit more declarative than just putting it all on one line. So this is how to combine logical operators. Just remember that they are always evaluated from the leftmost sub-expressions, and it's always important to, if you are confused about it, to add brackets to see which ones are going to be done first. And the important note is to understand how many operands each one requires, all right? Okay, with that said, I hope that you've got something out of this one video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and do all of the other social media things that you could do to this one video. If you do have any questions, concerns, feedbacks, or anything like that, let's start a conversation in the comment section down below. Other than that, thanks very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao, and goodbye.